There's been so much news about COVID-19 vaccines, but look at other vaccines most kids get when they're young, and fewer have been getting them.
So it really is that set of recommended childhood immunizations that where we're seeing an across the board drop.
Michele Roberts is with the Washington Department of Health, which released the data. It shows vaccination rates in 2020 dropped modestly with younger ages. The big drop-off was in 11 and 12-year-olds. For instance, an 11% decrease in Tdap, which covers tetanus, diphtheria, and whooping cough, from about 60 to 49%. And an 8.8% drop in meningococcal vaccinations from roughly 50 to 42%.
So we're really concerned in seeing this decrease in childhood vaccination rates, knowing that means we're leaving our youngest citizens vulnerable to some of the diseases that we know vaccines prevent against.
At Klein Lime Pond in Clark County, we found some happy kids enjoying the sunshine, sand, and water. But we found some concern when we talked with one mom, although Rose Horton said COVID times made 2020 tougher to get things done.
Luckily, my children didn't need to get vaccine boosters during this time. I can see where it's kind of questionable for some people to make an appointment to go in for these things, but it's really important to keep our vaccine rates up to protect everyone.
Was it fear about catching COVID that led to a drop in childhood vaccinations? Roberts says yes.
And a piece of that was just confusion around, should I be leaving my house? How did routine preventative medical care fit with the kind of stay-at-home orders that were happening?
But our message today, the safest, healthiest thing to do is get your kids in to visit their doctor.
It's really important to be getting kids in for their routine preventative care. So for those well child visits where a lot of the childhood immunizations happen.
So Washington is not alone. Roberts says this has happened across the country. But she also says since late 2020, vaccinations have been trending back up. But we've got a ways to go to catch up. And now, before school gets going again, is a great time to do it. Tim Gordon, KGW News.